Question 8. The graph of the derivative of f is shown in the figure above. So this is f prime of x. Which of the following could be the graph of f? So essentially this is kind of like, I guess, process of elimination, making sure that you can understand what the graph of f prime is asking you and translating that to what it could mean for the original function. So f prime of x, remember that wherever f prime of x has a 0, that means that the original function should have a turning point or a horizontal tangent. So it could just be a flat part. So I notice that the derivative has a 0 at negative and positive 1, which means that my original function should have a turning point at negative and positive 1. So over here, this one has a turning point at like 1/2, alright, so that's not it. D doesn't have any turning points and neither does E, so those aren't it. So we're down to B and C, because both of these have turning points at 1 and negative 1. It's just a matter of is it a maximum or a minimum. So for negative 1, remember that because it's going from positive to negative, that would be going from increasing to decreasing, which would be a maximum. And then over here, vice versa, it's going from negative to positive, which means that the original function is going from decreasing to increasing, which would be a minimum. And so the only one that fits that description is actually B. It has a maximum at negative 1 and a minimum at positive 1. So B is the answer to number 8.